Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? My name is Teddy the Bear. Well, what do you have planned today? Are you going to school? I don't go to school no more. I'm all done. But I do have something I want to say to you. Do you have your ears on to listen? I want to tell you a little story. Today, as I was praying, I heard Jesus tell me that He loves you. And He loves me. He loves my mommy and my daddy, and boys and sisters and brothers and friends. He loves my caregivers. He loves all of us. He said He is right here for all of us. Do you believe Him? Oh, please, 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 please believe Jesus. He loves you so much. I love you too. Let's say a song together. If we love Jesus, and if we serve Jesus, we will be with Him forever, forever. Oh, if we love Jesus, and if we serve Jesus, we will be with Him in heaven forever. Do you believe that? I believe it. Jesus loves us. Boys and girls, live for Jesus every day. Pray to Him every day and talk to Him. Tell Him you love Him and ask Him, say, Jesus, make me one of your own. Fulfill a great purpose in my life, 'cause I want to work for you, 'cause I love you, Jesus. Until next time, boys and girls, this is Teddy Bear. I love you. Remember, love Jesus. Bye-bye.